Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to MFNs on TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Databiso.
Stivo.
Insa.
Ogare phone ga yalla ogare ke tlhuphi wa mphone.
Are.
Umpotso re no hona le changes tse di tlo irahala.
Yeah.
Mr. Tlhuphi ke mo interview le Stivo ke tla bona ke fetse.
Yeah. Ye ke tlhophi ka nnete.
Ke tlhuphi ka nnete ka bona wa tlala.
Hey, Diamonds.
Stivo,
Sure.
last week you go Orlando.
Yes.
I've said something to you.
Yes.
Kare Orlando Pirates was better than Sundowns.
You did.
E ka tla ka manya ke ba artist.
Yeah.
Ai wena o bolela.
Yeah.
Some people while not waiting football, they said the Tabiso bolela nnete. Sundowns at Samekali Pirates at Samekali Sundowns. Iberiksa all the tactics.
Yes.
They are too much for, they are too strong for all.
Yes.
Yeah. Mariji loko FNB.
Yeah.
Ka di golu tsela tsa mofukeng tsela tsa boloi wa di hopola.
Yes.
Tsa boloi tsela. Re durile le bona ko Orlando.
Yes.
Ne? A ke tsore ba re ke sebelebele hore ke sebeng eng a shu o tswa mo le mo rona hape. He re fitla kwa le ba re ke ntshitse mo spacing ko FNB ba re khotlantsa so. Yes re ka lwa ra re no wa ba nna ka mosateng ya rona. They know the tactics of football. They know what they're doing. Ba itse hore when Sundowns so how ka itloela ya rasa ya irang is too strong. So Pirates in ali the tactics thing ba itse who in MTN. Ba too strong for rona. Rona strong for Moliki. Mara mo MTN yeah, they are beating us. They are beating us. And then one other thing again go ikopela ma Sundowns. Even if u ka ba buima byang ka pa byang. Yeah. Please don't vandalize stadiums.
Yeah.
Let's go konopang the player ka di weapon or don't do that.
Yeah.
Those people ki di human beings.
Yeah.
Those people le bana le malapa.
Yeah.
Don't throw the local di player reng wa roha di player wa ire. Please, even if o ka jiwa the game is 8. Wa bana re tshwantse re ithute go Chiefs man. Chiefs ina le pelo mbra. Chiefs e go betse you tlile botlhoko sebaka baka mara they never done such things tse rona re dira. So support us please stop doing what you are doing. Please. So
we ba salivasi shona le compression of photo. Ke mo fe? Ba fe ba Sundowns a tlo ba shaba. Yes.
Ai re shapo re nwa metsi. Nekesa bone the importance ya Mbogas. TLB was my man of the match today. Yeah. TLB ulwele Rhinos. Yeah. Ko re motswaletse bra ulwelena le goal la Rhinos a ikrileng o bone it was scrappy. Yes. Mariano ulwele Rhinos. Nekesa bone he bare that boy is our future defender of Bafana Bafana. Yeah. Kachoko Kiri, he done very well. So it's my man of the match. Yeah. And then congratulations to Pirate for continuing dominating MTN 8. Yeah. Ronaldo will continue dominating the league. Yeah. Sure.
Thank you, man.